you guys, 440 yards with the Christensen Ranger chambered in 22 LR, and I'm still shooting just some cheap bulk pack stuff. I didn't have any consistency today, and I can't blame it on the wind or anything like that, as the wind wasn't all that bad. So I'm really curious what results I might get with some match ammo. Could I have more consistent hits at those distances? And not that I've tried yet, but could I also make contact at further distances? So I'll be in search of some match grade ammo and be continuing to shoot this thing and sharing it with everyone who's interested in actually watching it. All right, you guys, thanks. Have a good day.